In this episode, I did a really fun yoga flow and took care of some long overdue bike maintenance.
A little too much, right?
Too much.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a very, very long time. So this is gonna be very aching and I'm gonna be sweating. Well, I sweat a lot anyway. But I'm gonna try a yoga flow. I've done it in the past and every time I did it, I felt really, really good after. But I'm always the same. So whenever I do something that does me any good, I do it for a few days or a few weeks and then I just stop it entirely. And then I wonder why I always feel like or something. So yeah, I don't know, I'll try to keep like a routine going where I do yoga or I work out because I haven't done either of those in months. If you hear me moaning or swearing, that's fine, it's all part of the process.
Hi, I'm Bri. Let's begin this energizing flow at the top of our mats. Take your feet hips distance, standing in Tadasana mountain pose, hands by your side, close your eyes. Just taking a moment to
Oh god,
begin your
the clock is doing my head in. Can you hear that tick, 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 tick? Son of a battery out. Good way to start a yoga session.
practice with an intention. Sweep the arms out, come up. Gaze as the palms touch. Lift your chest as you root down through the heels. If your knees are bent, you could begin to straighten the legs.
No.
To tone the glutes, which is just a fancy way of saying your butt, okay? And inhale, lift up. Well, that was almost the last one. Now, and pull your right heel in towards the right buttock.
Oh. Everything hurts.
As we get into straighten that left leg. Should feel really nice on that. Allow your lips to curl up into a smile, because this is going to be challenging. Open up into that yummy surfer's lunge. Should feel amazing on that right leg that we just started.
Yummy.
One more exhalation takes you deeper into that bend in the knee. Inhale. Exhale. Your best step your left foot forward. Spin the right heel down. Open the left arm.
Yummy.
Now push down through the hands and feet. Lift to the crown of the head first. Let the arm and the knees towards the toe tips. The two actions will help to lengthen the low back.
Not gonna do that.
Take a deep. If you like to go upside down in a headstand or a forearm balance, feel free to lift one leg and go on, fly on up.
What? No.
Wherever you are, take a deep breath in.
No.
Now remembering that all bodies are significantly different, right? Everybody is different. So if you're trying to reach for your feet, inhale, lift your chin, open your eyes. Namaste.
Namaste, bitches. Oh, that was awesome. But tell me you're not working out without telling me you're not working out. Can you see the sweat on my forehead? Crazy. I need to do a lot more sports. But I feel awesome. That was so much fun. I might do another one because this actually was a lot of fun. See you guys. I asked them already if I can do my laundry, which is long overdue. Yeah, I'm down to my last pair of undies. And that means oh, that back smells. I need to do some laundry and then I also, which I haven't done in quite a while, I need to clean my bike chain. I realized before I can clean the bike chain, I need some rags, which I'm gonna get now from the shops. And I got him. Now, let's go get the degreaser and the, chain grease. brush, chain cleaner, and extreme chain lube. Task number 2 of today, that is cleaning the bike chain. I've never done this before, so I watched a YouTube video beforehand. Shout out to RevZilla, they made a good job, so we'll see how we go. Smells amazing, this stuff. And you can already see there's so much dirt dripping off. I could show you, like it's all like black gooey gunk. And this is what obviously eventually wears down the chain, so it's a good job that I'm doing it now. And then I have this brush. This cleans 3 sides of the chain, so I'll just go once like this and once like that, and then hopefully I can get as much shit out as possible. Amazing. Look at this. Oh, look at me. I don't think this is how you're supposed to do it. Amateur hour, but what can you do? It's gotta be done. Wow. Ouch. Oh, the license plate. But here, have a look at this. This actually looks quite alright, I think. Dry it off, and then I'll apply the new chain grease, which should last me another than, what, I don't know, 8 to 1200 kilometers. The guy said, don't be gentle. So I'm just gonna do the outsides, the top and the bottom, and also from the other side, so. I'm just gonna clean off excess now, and then that's it. Tell you what, I'm happy with that. Looks like a brand spanking new chain, if you ask me.
The apartment owners were so kind and offered help without me even asking them.
It's a little too much, right?
Too much.
Yeah.
So when you sit on the bike, you will see about the chain. It's almost good.
Yeah?
Don't touch it because...
And there's also like a lot of weight with the bags and more bags. It's okay?
For now it's perfect.
Okay, nice. I'm only riding, but I'm not a mechanic.
We learn all life.
Yeah, that's right. Guys, thank you so much. I am super stoked. I don't need to adjust the chain. I thought that it might have been a bit loose. You can see the measurements here, 25 to 35 mil. And it's actually, it's more than that, but once I sit on it, and then with all like the weight from the bags, the guy said it's totally fine. So I'm good to go. I'll probably just go for a walk, go to the beach, some reading, maybe listen to an audiobook. Well, I've made it to the beach. It was a fantastic day, to be honest. I did my laundry, or it's about to be done. I cleaned, lubed the chain, did some yoga, and took a shower. I don't know, it was like a super relaxed day. That's just what it should be like, and the weather again is absolutely amazing. So yeah, I'll have lunch now. Maybe later I'll cook something, have a beer, and yeah, watch some Netflix. See you guys.
One more exhalation takes you deeper into that bend in the knee. Inhale